My neck is killing me. I've been under this van more than I've been in the driving seat recently. It's doing my head in, but I'm determined to get on top of the problem. I think it's ECU related, so that's the next one. Right, next sensor is oil pressure sensor. Now, obviously I showed you the oil quantity and quality, I think it does as well, but the oil pressure sensor is up above the sump. See if I can get this. You might not be able to see it, it's not a great. Let's get this light somewhere decent. Hang on guys. Okay, so basically if I stick you in there, that, if you can see my finger there, that is on the oil pressure sensor, right on it. Okay, hope you can see it there. It's quite tight and about. See it there, hopefully. That's oil pressure sensor on a 2.1 906 Mercedes Sprinter.